Education Minister Rakam A. Sarma took part in a momentous event today, lowering the school flag of Nepali Secondary School to symbolize the conclusion of the Golden Jubilee celebration. The event was held at the District Library in Nongpo. Addressing the gathering, he commended the tireless efforts of the school founders, acknowledging their significant contributions to the establishing an institution dedicated to imparting education to the children of the village and surrounding areas.
I would like to request once again
the vision and the ideas of our forefather and the founding member are still alive. Some says the most successful leader is not anybody who can do wonders in his time, but it is not. But the most successful leaders is the one who designed, who produced the good successor of his own. Therefore today, this school, these institutions will be unsuccessful had our members, the founding member, had not produced the good successor behind them.